Okay, here's a quick look at the market, the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, June the 22nd, 2010. Uh, if you haven't seen our videos before, we always like to start with the market profile. So this is today's market profile and its corresponding volume profile. This is yesterday's market profile and its corresponding volume profile. This is, of course, what happened overnight. So we were suggesting that the area in around 14 could act as resistance. And you can see here that it just barely nosed its head above it and during the regular trading hours and got up to 17 was the high in the overnight session. We were also mentioning around 1101 as a fairly important area of resistance or support, and the market has come down and held below that. So we have shifted our bias to down and on an intraday basis, and we'll likely try and get short around the 1101, 1102 area come tomorrow, if at all possible. After that, really the next target's down around 84 and then 70. Here are the market profiles of just the regular trading hours. So we also use them in our analysis of the market. Here's our actual trading software today, and as you can see, we have up arrows and down arrows to identify for us in real time trades. And we have another trade that's actually triggered off of our 10-minute. Doesn't show. Here's another arrow here. It doesn't actually show, but we did enter a long trade right here. So we ended up with 5 trades today. This is our first trade here. It's our second trade here. This trade was not taken because it was an up trade or a long trade in a down or a neutral filter, so it was not taken. And the same with this thing too. This signal over here was not taken. So this ended up by being our third trade here. The fourth trade that was triggered was not filled. This was our fourth trade over here, and then we had the fifth one to finish off the day. So we ended up with 5 trades today. The last trade of the day ended up a small loss of 3 ticks, but other than that, the first 4 trades all did quite nicely. A couple of them there, in particular, this second trade here, we were in long here and ran that all the way up to here, so that one went over 5 points in our favor. This was a very nice short trade right here with a down arrow, and that one also went for some points in our favor. This trade number 4 was really nice because our fill was right here, and that market had a really nice drop all the way down to here. So that trade moved over 5 points in our favor. So all of these trades hitting our first and second objectives and good profits on them. So we ended up the day based on trading our 4 contracts a little over $1,000 for the day. So that's always nice whenever you can have a really good day like today. The market was moving nicely too. Obviously, you need that in order to be able to profit like that. But with just a relatively small account with just using 4 contracts. So any questions or comments are always welcome at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we will see you again tomorrow.